All right, Tuesday's Beauty Beat coming to us right on time for summer. A couple of weeks ago, our beauty expert, of course, Christina, shared her top 5 sunscreens, but those all kind of work on bare face. So today, she's back with us right now on how to reapply sunscreen without disturbing your beloved makeup. Christina, what's up?
Hello, good morning.
Okay, so this really is a thing. I didn't realize that.
Yeah, I didn't even think of it either. And then I was meeting with a bridal client last week whose skin happens to be really fair and sunburn prone. And she asked me how she'd handle reapplying sunscreen throughout her wedding day. And I was like, because for granted the fact that I could just put it on under my makeup and go, and I don't have to worry about sunburns. So I was like, I have to find a solution. But lucky for us, the makeup industry and the cosmetic industry has thought of everything.
Okay, so we're talking about brides. This is funny how this came about, but brides with outdoor weddings or those kind of headed out to those outdoor events, how they reapply their SPF throughout the day. When you did your research, what's the solution?
So they now make makeup setting sprays with SPF built in. There's 3 brands that make 3 great options. And the great thing is that they're not only protecting you from the sun, but they're hydrating, they're soothing, they're cooling your skin all at the same time. So Coola makes a makeup setting spray that has SPF 30. It's organic, clean sunscreen. It's infused with soothing aloe vera and cooling cucumber, and it has a matte finish that also hydrates, which is awesome. And then next level up is Supergoop. They have their Refresh Resetting Mist. It's an SPF 40. It's also clean for all skin types with a natural finish. And then if you need a little bit more protection, Somerville makes the Uncomplikated SPF Soft Focus Makeup Setting Spray, which is SPF 50. It has hyaluronic and antioxidants to hydrate and protect the skin, and it also provides a matte finish for that soft focus effect.
Oh my goodness, mind blown. Put the SPF in the setting spray. I love that there's also many options too. You can go from 30 to 50. What is the trick to applying those setting sprays so that it's not, all over?
So we always want to shake the bottle really well so it comes out in an even spray. Pull your hair back because you don't want to add any added frizz to your hair. Close your eyes. And then you want to spray generously and evenly in a circle. And you want to make sure that you're holding that bottle at least 8 to 10 inches away from your face. And then you just air dry and go. And then reapply every 2 hours to make sure that you have that extra sun protection you need.
Christina, look at you bringing us some very practical advice from the field that you learned in the most recent weeks. Thank you as always. We'll see you again here next week. Make sure you tune in every Tuesday for the Beauty Beat and follow Christina on Instagram at @makeupbyChristinaG_.